So let's talk about how much you can earn doing usability testing. It can vary depending on how much time you put into it and which platform you are using for it. You can even do usability testing on a platform like Upwork. There are many platforms that are dedicated to usability testing. So there are people making money from it in your country. So country is not a restriction whatsoever. Some top earners are pulling in as much as $11,000 a month or something in that region. But keep in mind that these are guys that are dedicated, that have devoted their time to working across multiple platforms and putting in serious hours. Then if you are that guy, maybe in the next 1 year or 6 months, you might also be earning that much. Most people, though, are making something in the region of maybe just $4,000 to $6,000 a month. It all depends on how often you test. So as for individual tests, you can expect to get paid anywhere from $3 to $60 per test, with an average being around $10 for a 20-minute test. Most people use usability testing as a side hustle, but if you stay consistent and you work across a couple of different platforms, because that's the way you can make the best out of this, you can really boost your earning. Now, if you want to make the most out of usability testing, I've got some tips personally for you. First, make sure you are using multiple devices. For example, like my wife uses a Samsung. I have to input it as part of the devices I have access to this. And if you have your smart TV, you can also add it. Anything you have around you that can actually run applications or software, you want to include it. The more devices you have, the more test jobs you would get. Because like a lot of tests will tell you, oh, they want this test done on a Lenovo tablet. And if you don't have a Lenovo tablet, you cannot do that particular test. But the good side is that you would find the one for your device. And that is why you need to like even do more than one platform. So list your computer, your phone, your tablet, everything. That way you would get more access to more tests, especially since a lot of companies are looking for people to test their apps on specific devices. Second, stay consistent. The more tests you complete, the more often you will get invitation to take new tests. Third, be honest and very detailed. They like meticulous people. When you are testing, make sure to really think about the user experience. Then the good side is that you are not the technical programmer guy. You are just a normal user like myself. So the same way you used your WhatsApp, you use the other apps on your phone, and you are able to observe the errors or the mistakes or some things that would have maybe like been better, or they might in some tests they would tell you the specific thing they want you to look out for. Companies appreciate genuine detailed feedbacks because it helps them to improve their product. So it's better for them to get the review about the product from you as a usability tester than for them to launch the product and then the users, the actual customers, like the people that actually use the app, now start to complain. And finally, don't skip out on those training programs like the UTest Academy. Can actually help you sharpen your skill, which can better lead to opportunities and higher paying gigs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on side hustles and boosting your income from the comfort of your home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.